The Electoral College. What is it? What does it do? And why you as a California citizen have one of the least effective votes inside of the entire union. Well, the Electoral College works a little something like this. You, as a citizen, vote towards your representative, who then votes towards the president. Very simple and straightforward, inside of a take-all system. Now, how are the number of votes determined? Well, this is quite simple, and it's based off of population. So a small state like Vermont only gets 1 vote, whereas a large state like California gets 65 votes. But unfortunately, this is not true. In order to protect the smaller states, California has 10 of its votes taken away because it's so large, and 2 of them are given to Vermont and dispersed among the other smaller states. What this ultimately equates to is that you get smaller states like Vermont who are more powerful from it, and larger states like California who are weaker from it. But another byproduct of this is that you as a California citizen, for every 4 of us that votes, equals 1 Vermontese vote, which is pretty bogus if you ask me. Now, this would be fine if it actually had some sort of meaningful usage, but unfortunately, it doesn't. Why? Well, it's because of this great thing called the winner-take-all system, in which if you win by a very small majority, well, then you take all the votes for that state. Now, what this ultimately results in is not the president trying to go to all of the different states to try and win as many votes as possible. No, they'll ignore safe states like Nebraska and will instead opt for states which are known as swing states, like Florida. Florida is called a swing state because it changes political parties unpredictably. It might vote Democratic one year or Republican another year, which ultimately means that you have most politicians heading down to Florida every year instead of states which are loyal like Nebraska, which ultimately means we get a system which punishes a state for its loyalty.